Hello creators, in this video we will learn how to fix the OBS display capture black screen issue. So I will be providing you the 3 ways in which you can fix the black screen issue, and one of it will definitely work out for you. So let me just show you that my OBS is not currently capturing any display and it is showing the black screen. Let's move on to the first solution. Just go down into the search bar and type graphic settings, or you can use the long cut, which is go into the settings, then go to the display, and in the display scroll down to the end and you'll see the graphic setting. Just open that. So now here you will see two options, universal app and classic apps. So universal apps are those which are pre-installed and are licensed to Windows, but since OBS is a third-party app, you'll have to go to classic apps and you'll have to select its location. If you don't know the OBS location, you can pause the video as well. Now OBS is added to the list. Now go to options and select the graphic drivers which are integrated. So in my case it is Intel HD graphics, so I will select that. Just click on the save button and now OBS shall be able to record the display capture. Let's see. And yes, now my OBS is capturing the display and the issue has been fixed. If it is still showing the black screen in your device, just remove the current display capture element in the sources panel and add a new one. It will work. Hopefully the first method would have worked, but if it didn't, you can try the second method. Just right click on the application, go to Run with Graphic Processor and click on the Change Default Graphic Processor. Now a setting will pop. In the settings, go to the Program Setting panel. Select the application if it is not selected by default. And in the Preferred Graphic Processor option, select the Integrated Graphics and then just hit Apply. Now your display capture should work fine. And if it shows the black screen again, just remove the current display capture and add a new display capture in the Sources panel in OBS. That will help. You can also try the third method. Just right click on the application, go to the Run with Graphic Processor option and then click on the Integrated Graphics. Hopefully one of the 3 ways will help you fixing the OBS display capture black screen issue. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. You can also comment down your queries and issues in the comment section. And please subscribe to the channel and make sure to check the link in the description for our other channel as well. Thank you for watching the video.